Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. Thuka. SS-23, Cold War's forgotten missile. During the late stages of the Cold War, few weapons caused as much controversy as the Soviet SS-23, also known as Thuka, introduced in the 1980s. This short-range ballistic missile represented a leap forward in Soviet missile technology. Unlike earlier models, Thuka was highly mobile, road-launched, and designed for rapid deployment, making it extremely difficult for NATO forces to track and neutralize. With a range of approximately 500 kilometers, the SS-23 could carry both conventional and nuclear warheads, its accuracy remarkably advanced for its time posed a serious challenge to Western defenses. Analysts noted that the Thuka could strike strategic targets with unprecedented precision, increasing fears of a destabilizing first strike capability. But what made the Thuka truly controversial was not only its design, but its sudden disappearance as part of the Intermediate-Range Nuclear Forces Treaty of 1987. The SS-23 was dismantled before it could ever be used in combat, yet its legacy remains. Some historians argue that the Thuka's destruction represented a major concession by the Soviet Union, since NATO had no equivalent system in that category. Today, the SS-23 stands as both a symbol of advanced Soviet engineering and the high-stakes negotiations that shaped the nuclear balance of the 20th century. For military historians, it remains a reminder of how technology, politics, and diplomacy collide on the battlefield of history. So, was the Thuka SS-23 merely a bargaining chip in a nuclear chess game, or could it have changed the balance of power had it remained deployed? Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. Bear witness to the race for knowledge. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.